Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Coinbase soared more than 30% off of partnership with BlackRock. So BlackRock announces Bitcoin partnership with Coinbase. This is huge, guys. BlackRock, the world's largest money manager, announced a partnership with Coinbase Global on Thursday. So this is some good news for an industry where layoffs and turmoil has become commonplace. So for now, the partnership applies only to Bitcoin client demand. Will determine how the partnership will expand to other digital assets, a BlackRock spokeswoman said. So guys, this is huge for Coinbase. As we know, it's been a lot of speculation, a lot of rumors out for Coinbase being for the fact that one of their recent employees was giving insider information to their brother and friends on what assets to buy before they jumped up significantly, guys. So it's been a lot of investigation going on over there. But like we know, guys, Coinbase is going nowhere. It's like it's going to be a household name. A lot of the, as crypto continue to develop around the world, it's going to be one of those household names that everybody's, grow towards or just gain traction to, because Coinbase is that app where it's very simple, like Robinhood, and beginner investor friendly. So a lot of people will be drawn and attracted to the app, in my opinion. So I don't believe Coinbase is going anywhere, guys. These type of articles and this type of this type of uh, agenda, I would say that's the word for it. This type of agenda that some of these media companies and these Wall Street journals and Motley Fool, all these people be the bigger guys that don't want the smaller guys to win anyway. So they're going to say things like, this company is bad, they're going out of business, I wouldn't invest in it because of this. And you see how the baddest company they're talking about right now, being for all the scam stuff that's going on, it was one of the companies that jumped up significantly in price. And it's one of the companies that one of the largest management groups come and invest in and want to do partnership with. Why they on thin ice like that, right? Because they know the ice ain't really that thin. It's just a scare tactic. So they already well ahead of the game. They've seen this happen decades and decades. Every single year they do it to different companies, and they just knew, I got to get in on this because I'm about to make bukus of money. And usually, guys, 9 times out of 10 ain't always happen like that. But whenever it's a top quality company, and then you got people, articles coming out putting bad news out, like the company is about to crash, it ain't about to sustain, it's about to bankrupt, different scare tactics. Those are companies you want to look at the hardest, because those are companies that going to go up to 300, 400, 500%, guys. So same thing happened with Snap. If you've been following the channel, I done told you guys my story with Snap. When I first got involved with the market years and years ago, I was looking at Snap. It was trading at $5, $4 per share. And as I was getting invested, I didn't know much about the market then. So it's like I was going off of what the media was saying. The media was saying, oh, Snapchat is about to lose traction. It ain't going to hold up. It ain't going to sustain itself because of something. I'm forgetting exactly what was the reasoning, but it was a nice reasoning to where it was believable. But it was basically saying, I can't remember, but something happened with Snap. Somebody else in the audience may remember too, but a few, like probably 6 years ago, 5 years ago, Snapchat, they they had bad rumors going out that something wasn't right with it, and basically it scared a lot of investors away. And that's when the next year Snap went from $5 to $50 and went on to hit a peak of around $70, $80. And you guys know the percentage of return that would have been. It would have been insane. But anyways, guys, as we know, Coinbase is doing this thing today. If we take a look at Coinbase now, I know a lot of people want to know what's up with the price action. What is the expectations for Coinbase? So Coinbase opened up at 80. Within the pre-market, it was at trading around $79, $78, and it shot up in less than 5 minutes to $108, guys. In less than 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes, or when it took it, and by the next 10 minutes, it then shot down to $96. So as you can see, guys, we came down to around 91.61, and we're looking like we're ready to start bouncing. From 91, we back to 94 now, and looking like we can have a cup and handle in reverse, guys. I started buying in at 94, 93. No, not 94, 93, 92. 92-ish, so I'm already up in the green. I did dip by Coinbase as of now, as we speaking. I'm just in it for a short period of time though. I'm looking for a bounce back over $100, and I will exit my position, guys. I'm just taking advantage of the meat of the mood. And if Coinbase break below $91, I will sell, because it's giving me indication that Coinbase can come all the way back down and test its pre-market opening price, come down to around 80 bucks, maybe even 85, 86 if it break 91. So I'm watching it very closely. Hopefully it go ahead and turn back up from here, instead of, you know, doing that phenomenal return on today and then giving all those gains back just to have a little pop towards the end of the day. Hopefully that's not the case, guys. Hopefully it came down to 91 like it did, and it's about to return and recover from here. As we can see, it's starting to head back up, guys. So, and let's also go ahead and look at my position and just tell you guys, I just started this position 5 minutes ago. That's how you really dip by something. And I could be selling it right now in this minute for $150. $150, that's good money. It only took you 5 minutes to make it. You was smart, meticulous. You seen you didn't get, you know, FOMO in and seen it going to 100, 180, and like, oh, I gotta buy. Nah, you sat back, you waited. You know it's gonna pull back, because it always do, from other people that's thinking how you wanted to think and just rush in and buy it. Once they rush in and buy it, let them do that. Once they do, it's gonna pull back and scare them out. And when they pull back and scare them out, that's when I'm gonna get in. And I'm gonna just get in for a short period of time, just to take advantage of the meat of the move that y'all done created. So you already know, man, that's how I do things. Do it how you want to do it. Like I say, the smallest things in these videos is what you want to take from the most. But anyways, we up 160, 180, 200. It was 180, now 200. It was 150. You see. See, when you take advantage of the meat of the move, the money come in just like that, because you know what you watching for. But I'm gone, man. Don't pay me no mind. I love y'all. At Getting VIP, we gone. God bless you. We out.